Today's song, A Really Good Treat, is a great way to make food fun.
We play along, you wanna play along. We play along, you wanna play along. We play along, and you can play along too.
Today's song is called A Really Good Treat, and this was written by my husband Ken Frawley, and it was a way to get kids to have fun eating, because anytime you can add music, it just makes everything more fun. So these are the signs. I, point to yourself. Like, you take your thumb and your middle finger off your chest. I like to eat, like you're going to put food in your mouth, and this is the same sign for food. Eat and eat. And our first food is going to be apples. So you're going to take this as an X finger and you're going to twist it at your cheek. Apples, apples. A really good. For good, you come from your mouth down to your hand. A really good treat. I like to eat and eat. Apples, apples. A really good treat. Now we've put a lot of food with, different verses, and what's fun about this song is you can make it any food that you want. But our foods are, we have oranges. For oranges, you're going to squeeze under your chin, and you don't want to do it out here because this is a sign for milk. Okay, so oranges, oranges, a really good treat. Or I like to eat and eat. For carrots, you're going to take your hand and you're going to pretend like you're Bugs Bunny, okay? And you're going to break off that carrot. Carrots, carrots, a really good treat. Our next one is I like to eat and eat. For cookie. You make a flat hand. You're going to take the top hand in a C, and you're going to kind of pretend like you're doing cookie cutters, and you're going to cut out those shape of the cookie. Cookies, cookies, a really good treat. We also have crackers. Crackers, you're going to tap the end of your elbow. Crackers, crackers, a really good treat. And our last verse is ice cream. So it'd be like you're licking on an ice cream cone. So I like to eat and eat ice cream, a really good treat. But again, you can make it any food that you want. As you're getting ready to have a snack, or you're getting ready to have dinner, you could just do whatever you want. If you want to do it, let's say you wanted to do milk, this is a sign for drink and drink, milk, milk, a really good treat. But, and also to remember, not all foods have a sign. They don't. You might have to finger spell it, or you just leave it out. Like broccoli, there's no sign for broccoli. So you would sing, I like to eat and eat broccoli, broccoli, a really good treat. You don't have to sign every food. Okay? So when you sing and sign, it just makes eating more fun. So now you know all the signs to our really good treat song. So have fun singing and signing.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play.